I just wanted to question you. Suppose a non-Muslim dies, are Muslims allowed to go for the funeral?
The sister has a question that if a non-Muslim dies, are Muslims allowed to go for the funeral? Going, I would say, is not haram. What you do is important. Because there are various verses in the Quran that once a person dies as a mushrik, you cannot pray for his maghfirat. Cannot pray to Allah that may he go in Jannah or may he be forgiven. Right? But if you go for condolence of the family, if you think you can do dawah, there's no problem. There are hadith saying that once there was a funeral passing and the Prophet stood up. The Sahaba said, Ya Rasulullah, he's a Jew. The Prophet said, isn't he a human being? That means the Prophet gave respect that even though dead body stood up. So that way per se proves that going for condolence is no problem. But praying that may his soul rest in peace, or may he go to Jannah, may his sins be forgiven, that's not allowed. You can go there if you feel you can console. If you feel that it's difficult for you to do all this, avoid. If you feel you can go and give a condolence to the non-Muslim parents or family members of the person deceased, no problem. But see to it you don't do any act which is haram, prohibited in Islam. Hope that answers the question, sister.